Hello everyone! How are today? Teacher Jem Raymond is here. Good news po mga teachers! May bagong na-release na Special Allotment Release Order o SARO ang ating Department of Budget and Management or DBM as of August 13, 2024. Patungkol po ito sa ating performance-based bonus for fiscal year 2022 for eligible employees ng Department of Education. Ano-ano kayang mga agencies ang naka-receive na ng SARO as of August 13, 2024? Mayroong additional 14 national high school at 4 schools division offices ang nabigyan nga ng Special Allotment Release Order ng DBM as of August 13, 2024. Now, tingnan po natin ng malapitan kung ano-ano yung mga agencies ang naka-receive na ng SARO. Isa-isahin natin ang mga ito. Now, again, this SARO is released on August 13, 2024 for our Department of Education through our Office of the Secretary. And this is to cover the funding requirements of fiscal year 2022 performance-based bonus for eligible employees. And the region that received the latest SARO is DepEd Region 8. Now, may napansin lang po ako sa pag-release ng SARO from our DBM for this time. Unlike the previous SARO ng Region 5, for Region 8 naman, nakaspecify talaga ang mga agency o ang mga national high school at ng mga schools division offices na nabigyan na ng SARO. And let's have this first batch. So for this batch, merong isang SDO from Region 8 at 4 na national high school ang nabigyan na ng SARO. Ito yung mga corresponding amount ng mga PBB na na-release for these agencies. Of course, kasama na po dyan sa division office ang mga elementary schools natin na makaka-receive ng kanilang PBB 2022. For this slide, makikita natin na may isang SDO at 4 na national high schools from Region 8 ang naka-receive na ng SARO. So expected po na in the coming days, magre-release na naman ng Notice of Cash Allocations or NCA ang DBM for these particular schools at Schools Division Office. All elementary schools ng Division of Southern Leyte, included na po yung PBB ninyo sa budget allocations intended for SDO Southern Leyte. Now, let's have the third batch. So, makikita nyo, may isang SDO pa din at 4 na National High School from Region 8 ang naka-receive na ng SARO. Again, after this, NCA or Notice of Cash Allocations na ang marireceive ng mga schools or division office na to. So, yung NCA na marirelease for these agencies, ang magiging basihan ng mga bangko kung magkano lamang ang mga allowable cash na i-dispense for this particular agency for the PBB 2022 benefits. Lahat po ng elementary schools ng Division of Tacloban City, included na po yung PBB ninyo sa nakuhang budget ng Division of Tacloban City. For this slide, merong nakalagay dito na this PBB is intended for eligible officials and employees. So unlike the previous slide na ang nakalagay lang ay eligible employees, merong nakalagay dito na eligible officials. So maybe included sa makaka-receive ng PBB for these agencies, included po yung kanilang mga officials. Again, congratulations DepEd Region 8 for receiving your SARO for your performance-based bonus 2022. That's all for this video, teachers. Thank you so much for watching and till next time. Keep safe, everyone!